The Caribbean's private sector has a lot to gain from an ICT-enabled environment. Network providers and retailers can now offer new services, business solutions, and products for digital consumers.
We innovate, we come to demonstrate how we can use ICT mastery.
There's so many local companies that came on board that were able to not only just participate and support financially, but came in and were involved in the discussions and were able to display the technology offerings that they had. We were very, very fortunate to have that kind of support here in Barbados, and throughout the years as we've held the roadshow, and we want to stick with that model.
My name is Stephen Williams. I'm the Corporate Sales Manager at Chromatech Business Solutions. At the Barbados Roadshow, we were a sponsor. We also had a booth. Our primary innovation we kind of wanted to share with the public who visited was our online web store. The advantage of having a web store where we see customers are going is that everyone has the 8 to 4, they have the kids, they may not have the time of day to visit our store physically. With our online store, you have the ability to process orders. You don't have to have a credit card. You can pay us cash next business day and have your technology delivered right to your doorstep. It's very exciting for us. You're trying constantly to keep up with the demand, hence the online store. We also have 3 locations, and in Barbados what we find, the urge for apple is more so than mangoes.
If you think in terms of where businesses are today, take a hotel business. Hotels can run the hotels, hoteliers can run their hotels, allow us to run the ICT. Because we will provide not just the network and the connectivity, we now will provide the solutions, we customize, link your PBX system to your point of sales, to your MIS, to some of your other critical packages that you run in your organization, host your data. All of this is really revolutionary for lifestyle management, work business management.
Especially business people on the go, parents that have to also be aware of their children's activities, etc.
Precisely. So it works for governments, it works for businesses, it works for personal lifestyle. So the network is the core, but then there are a host of other solutions that digital can now bring to it that will allow you to develop this core in a way that works for you. And that's where the world is going.
Yeah.
And so we have to start thinking, how do we create the next wave of knowledge management, the next sets of skilled workers required to operate in this world. And so that's one of the reasons why there's been a rush to get children onto laptops and PCs and so on. But we have to do it in a smart way, in a way that allows them not just to have a toy, but to understand how connectivity can be integrated in how you do what you do.